spending a couple days in Wanaka, I then made my way to the southwest of the island, and I started by visiting Doubtful Sounds. To go there, it's quite a little trip because we had to take a first boat to cross the Lake Manapuri, then a bus to cross the mountain, and then a second boat to cruise the fjord. So this little journey took most of the day, but it was very, very nice. So no tourists have been entering the country for the past 7 months now, and Kiwis have been taking advantage of it, and they travel domestically a lot because everything is way less crowded and also cheaper. Traveling with the locals is very different than traveling with backpackers. I really love that vibe. It's super chill, everybody's super nice, just having a good time discovering New Zealand. So yeah, having a very good time here. I then made my way to the very famous Milford Sound. I had wanted to go there since I arrived in New Zealand last November. So fjords are a kind of landscape that I really, really like, and I was not disappointed. It was so pretty.
Trying to think of looking at headlights from inside your window. It's cold in your room.
It's all on. That's one.
And I'm in the window, losing my shadow. And now I'm 23. There's 3 at your table. Speak to her softly, as if I'm beside her, just like my father. I'll be alright. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't forget about it. Undone and I can't.
So I am now going to give you a little tour of my van. It's a Mitsubishi L300 from 2005, diesel. It has 3 seats at the front. In the inside I have a bed couch that I can pull out in a double bed. It's very comfortable, I slept very well on it. And underneath I have quite a lot of storage where I put like my camping gear and my clothes. On the side I have more storage, and I also have a table that I can open and close, and inside more storage as well with all my mess. And at the back I have, I think, my favorite part of the van. It's the kitchen. It's super well built. I have an electric sink, gas cooker. I have everything I need to cook. I really like it. It's very easy.
I wanna let you know.
And finally, for the last stop of my road trip in New Zealand, I am going to Mount Cook, which is the highest mountain in New Zealand.
Let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leave. Even on my worst days, 2 a.m. my shift phase, tripping off something that you done, yeah. I would never listen my rock compass and run out on you. I don't get that. I would never walk out on you. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Even though you stress about the small shit sometimes, nothing I could say to you could change up your mind. I'll get on your nerves and then we'll fight. Give you all the space you need in on those nights, yeah. Even on your worst days, when you get in my face, tripping on something that I've done, yeah. I would never listen my rock compass and run out on you.